Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. So let's tap. Then let's scroll and find device unlock and tap on face and fingerprint unlock. Yes. So here we have to choose the regular screen lock if you do not have one. I will choose the pattern, so let me quickly set it. Okay, confirm. Now let's tap on fingerprint. Of course, read all of the information. So here we've got basically information about the fingerprint and the privacy data. Let's tap on done. Let's tap on register. Okay, so here we've got the information that if you've got any third-party screen protector, it may affect the sensor as it is on the under the screen. Alright, so now we have to put our finger on the fingerprint sensor, and now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. And now let's add the edges. Okay, let's confirm it. No. And here we've got the fingerprint management section. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Add another fingerprint, confirm everything. So just test the added fingerprints. Here you can manage the functions, so you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. Here you've got the animations. So customization, if you want to, you can just change it and tap on apply, and you can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Alright, so now let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So we've got the sensor, let's put our finger on it. Okay, and the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.